In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to change fonts in Miro. So let's get started. So here we are on Miro, and from here, we just simply need to click here on the text icon or tool on the left menu. And from here, when you click on that, your cursor will now change right here into this one. And now from here, I'm going to click anywhere that I want, let's say right here, and then type in my text. So let's say I'm going to go for sample text. So as you can see, the text is really small. We can zoom in to view it better, or we could just increase the font right here. Let's say 288, which is so big right there, which is what we want so that it will be visible. And from here is that we can now format this by highlighting the whole text. Or you could also just select the text and then you could just make sure that you are not editing the text right here. Or you don't have this, what do you call this? This cursor right here. Or yeah, that blinking typing thing. So basically you just need to click on that and then go here. And you can now change the font. Let's say this one, bangers. And then now you could also go for switch type. So we'll not switch because this we want a text. And from here we can go for the font style. We can make it bold, italic, underlined, and crossed out right here. So this is based on the title right here, so it might not be available for bold anymore because it would also be based on the font's eligibility. Next is that we have this alignment right here, so we could align it to be centered and to the left or into the right. And next is the add list. So you could also make a list right here. You could format them with bullet forms or numbers, or you could also go here to indent if needed. And then we also have the text color. We can change the color of our text just like that. And then we could now highlight the text right here. So let's say we're going to highlight it to yellow. As you can see, we now have that background right there. And then we also have the set color and opacity. So let's try this out. Let's say red right there, and we'll just remove the background for now. And as you can see right here, it is now covered in red. And you could now bring back the opacity right there. So this is also one of your options right here. And yeah, this is basically it for this video on how you'd be able to change your fonts in Miro and customize text like a pro. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.